No, I'm sticking with 2 days on this one. I remember the factual basis. I'll give her a chance to reschedule one time without penalty.
The sovereign citizen.
Record John 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙮𝙧𝙞𝙜 hearing on behalf of Christopher Corley, who's my please identify yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Christopher Corley, COR.
Thank you.
The opportunity to review anything. I'm not aware of the particulars in this matter.
Let's get on the same page. So on March 17th, Mr. Corley was sentenced on a fail to display a valid license charge, $500 and 30 hours community service to be completed by June 1. On May 7th, he paid his money. On May 7th, he requested an extension on the 30 hours. I told him if he provided proof of 15 hours by June 1, we'd give him until July 1 to do the balance of 15 hours. We never saw anything between that date and June 1, so he was show caused. That's where we're at.
Judge, again, this gentleman appears to be an upstate citizen.
I wait here about to speak for myself at this time.
If you want to, you can.
I completed from July 1st, I did complete the 30 hours, and I still, because I know more about the case. So,
Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
so I still volunteer at the center now doing the community garden.
Which center?
Destiny for Greatness on 555 pound.
Downtown? Okay. Okay. All right. So you got documentation of 30 hours?
Yes, I do. I have a letter of my uncle, but I also got the young lady email.
I like paper. Yeah. Did you get anything?
It was.
Yeah, much I have the email. I talked to her this morning downstairs for probation.
Okay. Can you confirm?
The husbands are fine.
Hold on. I got a piece of paper in the file. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we got it. The email came in. All right. Yeah. You're good to go then. Close the file.
Last one, sir, is Donald McCline. Can you step up, sir? Thank you. For the record, John 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙮𝙧𝙞𝙜 hearing on behalf of Donald McCline. Judge, he has violated the terms and conditions of probation.
Hold on just a minute. Spell the name. Oh, there it is. I got it. Never mind. Go ahead.
Judge, he has violated terms and conditions of probation, but with an explanation. He was in a car accident.
Ooh, how you doing? When was the accident?
Saturday, 24th.
Okay.
Judge, there's not going into details of a no fault action. There hasn't been any financial progress there. And again, I'm not fully aware of the particulars in that matter. But he's without health insurance at this time. And from substance abuse treatment and the testing he does need health care. The payments, he doesn't have any money, hasn't worked since that time. His wife does work as a nurse, but has only recently gotten employment. So Mr. McCline has not been,
Okay. Okay. So if I understand correctly, Mr. Rowley, basically since March 19th for the sentencing, he hasn't done anything, including report. Okay.
She does have a disability hearing on the 23rd of September. It seems like forever, but he, based upon what he's going through right now, I've done a few of them in my career many months ago, but I would believe that he would qualify because this gentleman can barely walk, and I think he'll be up to snuff in terms of getting Medicare and eventually completing substance abuse with testing and most importantly, all the payments.
Okay. If you want to.
As far as with reporting, at the time of sentence, you allow me to video call or phone call in to report, which I did. I phone call in, reported in April of this year, and I tried to go to. I went to the location on Grassley in Roseville, Michigan, to do the urine analysis. But I didn't have the money to pay for the testing, and I needed the health insurance, so I couldn't follow through at that time. But I've been in contact. I called my probation officer twice, and I've been in contact with her through email.
All right. Well, first of all, I don't think I've ever told anybody that when I put them on probation for drinking and driving, that they could report by phone. Probably what I told you is you wouldn't have to report in person every month, but initially there'd probably be some in person. That's what I normally tell people. I don't have a specific memory of what I told you. Have you had any contact with him?
I believe he reported, yeah, his first month in April, no report in May. But no, I know he did reach out to me regarding the testing, saying
Okay.
that now have the
Right.
to do so, but limited to communication.
Right. What's your recommendation?
They should be jail closed.
Judge, again, I can respect how the court is frustrated with Mr. Rowley, but I'm asking for a continuation. This gentleman doesn't have a dime to his name right now, and he hasn't worked and he hasn't got any payments from the no fault action. He may not get it because of some issue, but that's neither here nor there. He will qualify for Social Security disability, and that will put him in a path to compliance with adding the health insurance. Although he was a bit foolish in his initial response.
I'll give you the same deal I gave you on the last one. We'll review it August 20th, but I got to see some kind of action. I got to see some kind of plan. I mean, this is July 16th. I sentenced on March 19th, and literally nothing's been done. And all of what you need to do doesn't cost money. There are ways to do, I mean, there are substance abuse programs out there somewhere that you don't have to have insurance for. But you gotta, if you can't just do everything without fail, then you gotta be seeking help from probation all the time. Because the monkey's on your back. She's not the one that goes to jail if I get fed up. Understood? All right. Good luck.
Judge, thanks.
You're welcome. So Heather, you want to rent a farm? You want to rent a farm? 28 stalls, an arena, chicken coop, 30 acres fence, 4 pastures.
Huh?
We just moved him into phase 5. He completed the program.
Okay, thanks.
Who you got, John?
Judge, I have Katia Patterson.
Patterson? Come on up, ma'am. Go ahead.
I'm not going to be Katia Patterson, who's in my life. Please identify as Katia Patterson.
Thank you.
Judge, she is in fact guilty of not complying with the court order program, but
Go ahead.
she currently is raising her children, and she works nights and goes to nursing school several days a week. And I'm asking for your mercy in terms of an alternative, such as a community service program, perhaps some other small fines to be assessed so she can make it through the process.
Where are you working at?
Riverview.
Riverview? All right. And where are you going to school at?
We'll have college nursing.
Where at? How far down? Toledo? Yeah, Toledo's not bad.
She's got children along with the
She'd she'd make arrangements for the kids if I put her in jail.
it's difficult, but
Punishment usually is.
it is, Judge. Thank you.
There anybody else out there?
Judge, there's a number of no shows as I indicated to this girl.
Always is.
What do you want me to do?
Now, when was the last one scheduled? 10? No, it's 11:30. Take off. Yep. Stay cool.
Right?
No kidding.
Yeah.
The Sovereign Citizen.